So glad we bring these mats for her. This is Chloe in her majestic vehicle, her chariot and her safe spot. She would rather be in here than anywhere in the world, almost. If you give her a choice, she would choose the truck over the house, the trailer, or any other place. So here she is, falling off to sleep in the comfort of her 3/4 of a backseat of an SUV. We should really think about spoiling her. I don't think she's getting enough spoilage. What's going on? Are you playing in the playground equipment? She went up. There goes the bath. Her what? Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh. Mommy can only go so fast. Whoa. Where my crayfish? Oh, you put your foot right where my crayfish was. What are you doing? Let's go. Can you go ahead? Just an email, message. Oh, you wait?
That is what you call a distraction donut.
Good job. Okay. Bluey, treat. Oh wait, there it is. You pushed it out of my hand. Okay, thank you.
A nice game we're playing. You want one from Mommy? You want one from Mom? Yes. Okay, off we go.
Let's go.
Lunchtime.
Delish. And guess what? Trisha just got more service. What?
Like
Are you a
she
good
cares
puppy?
about that.
You want lunchtime? Do you want your lunchtime?
She might. She's thinking about it.
Yeah.
Have a rock.
Have a rock between. Hi. Oh, that's a pretty sit.
She would like a treat now.
Would you like a treat? Huh? Would you like a treat? Sure, she got a treat for you. Oh, that's so good. She's so cute.
She was a very good girl. I thought she was going to freak out and run down the hill, and then I calmed her down, and she calmed.
She didn't bark or anything?
No, she was just quivering. You know that thing
Yeah.
that they do when they just can't even contain themselves?
Yay! What a good puppy! She's like,
Yay, you didn't bring the bear back to us and kill us.
Good
Yay,
job. That's
good
why you're on
job.
leash. Keep your doggies on leash, everybody.
Always.
I don't know how to do Asian. Uh-oh.
Slow.
Oh.
Slow.
Slow down, baby, slow.
Slow.
Go in the water. Go in the water, go swimmies. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is actually her being tired. Wowzers. Do you want a treat? You do. You don't wait for it. And what? Ow! Whammy. One more down. Just wait. Wait, wait, wait. Okay. She is. There she goes. There she goes. How's a stick? Simple needs. Mm-hmm. Look at all these mushrooms. That's some good representation of some glacial activity there, eh?
Wow. We're in the bottom of an ocean.